Good morning, guys. My name is Advik, and now we are playing Fireworks Mania. This is the world town. There's a ball here. Whoo! Pick it up and throw it. Okay. There's a trash truck, and now I'm going to play with fireworks. Here, there's a nuke also. There's a nuke also in this world, and I'll show you in a moment. First, let's see what is this bingo thing. I don't know what is this, but it's a firework, I think. Yes, it's a firework. This much big firework will blow up this town, I think. Let's see what will happen. Ooh, it's going. Go far. Ooh, it's going up. I think it will be nice. And so Ooh, big ball of fire. It's coming down also, touching down also. Woo! So much bright. What is this flamingo? There are guns also. Shotgun. This is a shotgun. What are you looking at me, flamingo? Bam! Oh yeah. The truck also. See what happened? It's doing a loud sound. Okay. Today, there's a big box truck here. I saw here. Ooh, we can go inside. We'll fill up this box truck with crackers and we'll explode it. Explosions. Ooh, there's a gas tank. Let's keep this also. And drop. I think these are enough. Now we have to tap. And let's go. Go. Speedily. Where is it? The blow. Hello, Mr. Truck. Just blow it again. Oh, now it's coming. What is this truck? Oh, this house is broken. There's nothing inside. Ooh, the destruction. And this truck is so much gone. Okay. Ooh. There are tanks also. I'll show you now. Pressure. I think it's prison. Firecracker. Here. Thunder tank and go. Exploded. As I thought. Now we'll check another one. Oh, there are cakes also. Let's do Saturn missile. Looks like fun. Let's keep here a drop and let's blow it. Why this looks black? I don't know. Oh, it's coming. Ooh, nice design. Nice one. Finished? Are you finished? Yeah, finished. Let's check another one. Let's do a quick flash. I think it would be a flash one. There. Small one. Are you kidding? Shh. I have to do a big one. What is this? Salute. Looks like fun. Let's see how much big it is. Small, as I expected. Oh, there's a truck there also. And there's a gas station. There's a house also. We can go inside also. Oh, nice. There's a nice living room. Sorry, my phone died there. Now let's see here. Nice living room. Oh, in this only I'm gonna keep the nuke. Oh, it's lagging. I don't know why. Okay, let's leave that for now. But this truck, I'm not gonna leave it. Oh, we can pick up this truck. Where is it? Oh, it's up. We are not gonna leave this truck. Oh, let's drop it here. Oh, it's going upside down. Hey, truck, be this way. Oh, it's not listening. Okay. Let's see, explosion. There's a spaceship? We'll check that later. Tiny nuke. Oh, this is an example of nuke. But it's tiny. The real nuke is so big. It's the example. You can see. Mushroom cloud. Ooh, nice. Okay. Now. M84 looks like a big one. Let's fill this truck with this things. I think it will be enough. Okay. Now let's do this. Go from here. See that fire? Biggest fire in the world. It was a big explosion. But this cardboard box, they survived it. Okay. This truck looks suspicious. I'll blow it up with a gas tank. Go up top. Drop. Okay, tap. Mr. Truck, garbage truck. Destroyed. Yeah. Oh, lot of sound. But it's okay. I'm sure this one is so much a joke. See this dumping one? Shoot it with your shotgun. Wait. And now it's going like anything. Now it's a nice shot. Hey, where it? Oh, it went somewhere. This is so much joke. See. Now we'll see some crackers. Means fireworks. Liberty. Looks fun. Why not? Let's put 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's join them. 1, 2, 3, 4. this and done. Okay, now let's blow it up. Let's see how it goes. Ooh, big one. Only this one? It's a nice so much. Liberty. Another one. Guardian of Eden. Two. Let's join to them. 1 and 2. Shop and done. Let's do this. Okay. I think it will be nice. Oh yes. It's like shooting. But it's slow, so much slow. Let's see another one. Salute. Is a salute here? Small salute, I think. Let's do this. And drop here. These two names are salute only, but different. 1 and 2. It's over. Okay, it's over. Okay, now let's see celebration. I think this will be nice. Huh? Okay. These are also nice, but fast. Okay, over. This is gonna be big one. It's called a red alert. Woo! Go inside. Okay, only red alert means but it's nice. Flare? Firecracker. Oh, what is this? A plane. Let's do this one. What happened? Oh, the plane crashed, I think. Okay, what is this? Dum dum. Dum dum. Dum dum 30. Dum dum 50. Looks like big ones. Let's connect them. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Do it. Done. And let's fire it. Okay, here. And done. Oh, come on. Oh. small firework means firecracker. Okay, let's just. What is this spinning wheel? Looks like fun. Let's keep one there, one there, one there. Okay, now let's do this. I can't see. Let's turn on the flashlight. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's light this up. Nice one and big one. Now, special. What is this mortar cannon? Looks nice. Let's keep it. Let's fire that house from here. There I think it will be enough here. Okay, drop. Let's fire this. Fire the cannons! It's there. I mean some here and mortar cannon and drop and do. Fire the cannons! It's almost there. Okay, here. Drop. Fire the cannons! Right on that house. Okay, let's do it morning. Is it? Okay. Let's do it morning. Full morning. Oh, what is this? It's still night. What the heck? What is going on, bro? What is this? Okay. Good, I think. What is this? Okay. Let's do that nuke. What I told. Here's the house. Let's go inside and let's keep it on the TV here. Where's it? Where's it? Here. Okay. Drop. 3, 2, 1 and go. Oh no, 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 no. All the things. Is it over? Is it over? Is it over? What is this destruction? So much slime. Here the smoke. Here the smoke. Okay. Let's see what happened. I fall through the net. Okay. So much lagging there. Ooh. So much destruction. Okay, I showed you how the nuke was. It was so much destruction. Let's see the house. We blowed it up. It's all gone. What the heck? What is this sofa doing here? What is this bottle? What is this thing doing here? What is this? I can't. What is this, bro? This sofa, this pillow is not going. All are destructive, but not this. And the books also. Oh, this book fell. Okay, guys. I'll end this video here. Subscribe and like for more Fireworks Mania, and comment in the comment section for more ideas. I'm not getting ideas in this month. Okay, bye.